Hi, Performance Boats Magazine here at the Midwest Boat Party. Yes, we're here on the docks of Dog Day at Lake of the Ozarks. We'll be covering today's event on the water and land, doing interviews, boat coverage, and of course shooting the girls. Watch us as we bring you the boating arena here on the Lake of the Ozarks. And remember, you're watching it on the nation's #1 video website, performanceboats.com. Hi, Jim Wilkes here with Brian and Barb Newland, and we are here in their fabulous Baja. Hey, tell us a little bit about your boat, Brian.
It's a 2007 40 Outlaw. We have triple 496 HOs and goes up and down the river pretty good.
Yeah, well, Barb must like it. She's laughing. What's so funny there, Miss Barb?
I don't know. We started out with 25, and I said, we got to keep getting bigger. The water's so rough. And he's like, okay, no problem. So now we're at a 40, so it does ride better. I agree.
I will contest to that. We had a fabulous ride out about 35 miles up here to Big Dick's this morning. Tell us, what is your function on the boat when there's just two of you going boating, Barb?
Everything but driving, I guess. Well, you know, I help put the, I take the boat off the trailer when we launch it, and then I meet him at the condo where we have our place here, and then I help put the bumpers on, tie it up, and pretty much a second hand.
You forgot the most important part, looking good.
Oh yeah, looking good, yeah.
Absolutely. Well, that just goes without saying there, Brian. So you actually do drive the boat then?
Oh yeah. Not fast, but I can drive it, yeah.
That's good. Now, Brian, what made you go with a Baja?
This is actually our 5th Baja. It's the Baja line. We like the line, we like the looks, we like the performance, but honestly, it's all the people that you meet. There's a lot of good boating people out there, and having the same brand that kind of draws everyone together. We belong to different websites like Team Baja Marine and Midwest Boat Party, and the same type of boat owners seem to get together, and it's just a great bunch of people.
Well, Brian and Barbara, I want to thank you very much for taking the time to join Performance Boats Magazine on the water here and giving us our crew a ride today, hustling us around. And I know it's a real inconvenience with all the stores we bring on board. But
we
again,
made new friends, right?
We did do that. But again, we want to thank you very much for taking the time and being with Performance Boats Magazine.
Thank you.
Hi, Jim Wilkes here in front of Big Dick's, halfway in, the 50-mile marker here at Lake of the Ozarks. We're with performance boat model Marcy.
Hello.
And Mindy.
Hi.
Yeah, they're both joining us today on our poker run here at the Lake of the Ozarks. This is our first stop, so we're going to do a little footage here and show you what Big Dick's really looks like. Say it again?
Adam Hoyt.
And from where?
I live in Iowa.
Iowa?
Yep.
What kind of drive time for you?
6 hours. I come every single weekend, Memorial Day to Labor Day.
We leave on Thursday night and go home Sunday afternoon late every single weekend.
And this is your group that comes every
my
weekend?
wife.
Yes. Honey, how are you? Your name? Gina. And what kind of boat do you have?
We have a Baja 38.
And obviously you keep it up here.
Yeah, we have a trailer for it, and we do keep it here in the middle of the summer. And then we take it home and boat on the Missouri River up on throughout the fall and the spring.
Very good. Now your crew, they're all from where?
We got Kansas City, we got Rochester, Minnesota, Omaha, Nebraska area, and same over there, Omaha, Nebraska area.
You take a minnow and a shot of whiskey or whatever, and eat the minnow and then do the job. Change, there's your minnow, next to the bell, sir.
Hang on a second.
The lemon or the minnow?
One of the traditions here at Big Dick's is the minnow, the live minnow test here. What they do is they take the minnow, down the minnow, and the tradition is the first time you're here, this takes the cherry away. And we are with
Kendra.
Kendra. Well, we're going to watch you perform this act here as we do this. Yes. All right. Whenever you're ready, we're ready.
I might want that one. Oh, thanks.
Oh, no.
Now he's dirty.
Take two.
Got away. So now, hey. Wow. Oh. There it goes. They're all the way down.
Bye.